it's Taren. Welcome back to my channel. This video is another Stitch Fix unboxing and try on. So last month, if you watched that video, I didn't really have that great of luck. So I did actually request a new stylist. So this box is better. I'm not sure that I found favorites, but nonetheless, we will go through them, try them on. And as always, let me know what y'all think in the comment section down below. This is Stitch Fix number 32 for me, 32. My stylist this go round is Jennifer. All right, so let's start with this dress. It's a beautiful color. This is the brand Kaley in a size 2X. It's called the Jenny Knit Maxi Dress. It's this longer length, sleeveless, why did I want to say strapless? Sleeveless floral dress. It's really pretty. I love that it cinches in at the waist. I love the pattern. I love the color. I don't know if this style of maxi dress looks the best on me. I feel like I prefer maxi dresses a little bit more flowy. I don't hate it though. I do feel like it's a really great length for me if I wanted to wear wedges or a cute pair of sandals or something like that. It is a little bit snug in the back. In my opinion, it just feels a little bit snug. But yeah, I do really like the pattern and the colors. So this dress, as I mentioned, it's called the Jenny Knit Maxi Dress. Fuchsia is the color. It is $68. So next thing I want to show you is also from that Katy Storino, I think. Katy Storino line with Stitch Fix. I mentioned in the last box because I got a dress and a jumpsuit. Katy Storino is an influencer. I found her on Instagram. Seems like she's got this collab with Stitch Fix. So the last things I got from her, I didn't end up keeping. This go round, they sent me something else. All right, so it is this like bright, like rainbow colored caftan. C-A-F-T-A-N. It's in a size 2X. They say the color is blue. I'm pretty sure they just didn't know which color to pick. So this to me looks like a swimsuit cover-up. It does have strings on the side with a really cute tassel on them. If you wanted, not really a tassel, it's more like fabric. I thought it was a tassel. If you wanted to cinch it in on the waist. So I don't hate it as a beach cover-up. Let's see how much it is though. It is $64. All right, now let's talk shorts. I did get a pair of cut from the cloth shorts. They're called the fray short. They're in a size 20. They are frayed at the bottom, and then they have a little bit of distressing on the front. All right, so I got a pair almost exactly like this. I believe from Trunk Club a couple of boxes ago from City Chic, and I kept them. So I don't know if I necessarily need a second pair of shorts that look the same. However, I love cut from the cloth jeans and shorts because they do loosen up a little bit throughout the day, and I like that. I like shorts that are a little bit looser versus being super snug like in the hip area. These fit really well too. They feel really nice. They are snug in the hip area, but if they're like every other cut from the cloth piece of clothing that I put on my body, then I know that they're going to stretch a little bit. And these were a decent price, I believe. Kind of. All right, they're the cut from the cloth Pierce Distressed Frayed Short Indigo size 20, $67.95. I kept a pair of cut from the cloth shorts that I love from Fashion, and they were like 50 bucks. So I wonder why these are so much more. So we have two tops left to go. This one is such a perfect like fall transition top. It's from the brand Paper Moon. It's in a size 2X. I mean, look at the colors. Like, that screams fall. It's also got this cute little bit of ruffle on the sleeve. It is sleeveless, but just like an inch of ruffle around. All right, so it does button up. It has this like fake faux collar looking neckline. This one I thought would be too small when I held it up, but once I got it on, it was actually really comfortable and really pretty. This would be really nice as you transition into fall with like a big cardigan or something. So this is called the Morgan's Ruffle Detail Button Up Top, I guess it's cut off. They call the color white, size 2X, $44. And the very last top we have is an off the shoulder top from City Chic. Yeah, City Chic in a size large. The colors of this are gorgeous. Y'all just know I've got a weird thing about off the shoulder tops. Like, I think I'm just a little bit broad and I can't seem to get them to stay down. So then I find myself like all throughout the day or the night, whatever I'm wearing it to, I find myself like I'm just pulling it down the whole time. The arms on this too seem a little bit baggy, like unstructured baggy, like it looks a little funny. I appreciate the vertical stripe on this. So this I think is really pretty and a great fit in theory, but to actually wear it out of the house and be comfortable, I don't know, you know? All right, so this is called the Smocked OTS band top. It's $58. So the total for everything in my box is $301.95. If you buy everything in your Stitch Fix box, you get a 25% discount. That brings my total down to $226.46. Stitch Fix is normally $20 for a styling fee, but I signed up earlier in the year. Yeah, way earlier in the year for Style Pass. It was $49, and that includes boxes for the entire year, every month or every 2 weeks, however you want to do it. So I don't pay a styling fee every time I get the box. I do still also have the $50 gift card. One of my very best friends, Stephanie, gave me a gift card from Stitch Fix for my birthday, and I didn't spend it this last box. Y'all know I didn't really find anything I liked. So I do have that, so keep that in mind. I don't know at this point if I'm going to keep anything. I like these, but not love them. If I were to keep something, it would probably be this top, because I think it could be really great for layering going into fall. All right, so that's a wrap on this Stitch Fix video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to hit the subscribe button. I'll leave a direct link to sign up for Stitch Fix in the description box down below. That way, if you're interested, you can click on it and you can sign up. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.